Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel? For solopreneurs and small businesses, this choice affects everything from your monthly budget to how fast you can scale. Let's break down what actually matters when you're running lean. Let's talk money first. Excel costs £84.99 per year with Microsoft 365 Personal, or £5.40 to £5.70 per month per user for Business Basic after July 2026. Google Sheets, free, completely free for personal use, and £5.90 per month per user with Google Workspace if you need a custom domain and extra storage. For a 5-person team, the business costs are actually comparable now, around £320 to £350 per year for Excel versus £354 per year for Google Workspace. The real cost difference is in personal use, or what you get bundled with each plan. Now collaboration. This is where Google Sheets absolutely dominates. Multiple people editing the same sheet in real time? Built in. You see their cursor, their changes appear instantly, and there's zero, John is editing this file lockout nonsense. Excel, you can collaborate through OneDrive or SharePoint, but it's clunkier. File conflicts happen. Autosave can lag. For remote teams or client collaboration, Sheets wins hands down. Scenario: you're updating a sales tracker with your VA while on a client call. Sheets lets you both work simultaneously. Excel, you're waiting for saves or dealing with file-in-use errors. Automation is where it gets interesting. Excel has VBA and Power Query, incredibly powerful if you know what you're doing, but there's a learning curve. Google Sheets has Apps Script, which is basically JavaScript. Easier for most developers to pick up. But here's the kicker. Google Sheets integrates with everything via API. Zapier, native. N8N, native. Want to auto-populate your CRM from a form? Sheets does it in 10 minutes. Excel needs Power Automate, which costs an extra £11.50 per month per user and has a steeper setup. Example, auto-send a Slack notification when a row is added to your leads tracker. Sheets plus Zapier equals 5 minutes. Excel plus Power Automate equals 30 minutes plus an extra subscription. Okay, but what about Power? Excel is the heavyweight here. Pivot tables are faster. It handles over 1 million rows without breaking a sweat. Google Sheets caps at 10 million cells, sounds like a lot, but hit that with a year's transaction data and you're done. Excel also has Power Pivot, Power Query, and advanced statistical functions that Sheets doesn't. If you're doing serious data analysis, financial modeling, or need macros that run complex logic, Excel is your tool. But here's the reality check. Most solopreneurs and small businesses aren't analyzing millions of rows. You're tracking sales, expenses, inventory, maybe 5,000 rows max. For that, Sheets is plenty. Mobile and access. Google Sheets works anywhere with internet, phone, tablet, even a Chromebook. The mobile app is solid. Excel? The mobile app exists, but you need a Microsoft 365 subscription for full editing. Desktop Excel is still the best experience. So which one? Here's the framework. Choose Excel if you work with datasets over 50,000 rows regularly. If you need advanced financial modeling or statistical analysis. If your industry uses Excel-specific templates like accounting or engineering. If you work mostly offline. Or if you already pay for Microsoft 365. Choose Sheets if you collaborate with team members or clients frequently. If you want easy automation without extra costs. If you need mobile access without subscriptions. If you're integrating with other web apps like CRM, email, or Slack. Or if you're bootstrapping and every pound matters. For most solopreneurs, Sheets wins. It's free, collaborative, and integrates with everything. Start there. If you outgrow it, if you're hitting performance limits or need Excel-specific features, switch then. Want help setting up spreadsheet automation, whether it's Sheets or Excel? We build custom solutions that save hours every week. Link in the description.